Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Milenia Cipta Florencia Sari Asmoro. In this video, I will explain about some point in a book entitled Cyberpunk and Cyberculture by Dani Cavallaro. This book was first published in 2000 and consists of 6 chapters that discuss the impact of postmodern science and digital technology in terms of both their current relevance and their relationship with older structures of meaning such as mythology, as well as examining the interaction between specific forms of technological expertise and everyday discourse related to urban settings, the fashion, health industry, projects to sexuality, gender, education, and entertainment. In this book, Dani Cavallaro raises the idea of cyberpunk and cyberculture by using Gibson's work as the lens of his research. In this video, specifically, I will explain Chapter 5 about cyberpunk and the city. In this chapter, it develops some of the ideas that focus on the body of the dystopian cyber city. The body of cyber city combines materiality and immateriality. The city, which is organized by digital technology, is described as a rational and clean environment. In cyberpunk, space is often understood in immaterial terms as the product of electronic mapping of abstract data. However, the cities are very material. Cyberpunk shows that the post-human megalopolis is a dirty and messy sprawl full of crime and disease. The opening section of this chapter explores some of the ways in which geometry, astronomy, genetics, and physics have used maps as a means of rationalizing the world. Geographical maps becomes metaphors, depiction of a stable physical world that are actually chaotic and undergo a constant process of change. Therefore, Dani Cavallaro argues that it should not be equalized with literal reality. However, they claim the manifesting some of the natural aspect of the world can become a fetish, idealized object of attraction. It gives the impression of human experience in both space and time, and it is often portrayed surrealistically by combining natural and artificial elements. For example, the physical form in the character genome. In this sense, cyberpunk cities are described as infinite space where humans and objects circulate endlessly as commodities. However, their interiority is separated between non-conglomerate and conglomerate. There are boundaries whose borders serve to protect the interests of those who have privilege. Then, cybercity is considered to be understood like binary language on a computer. There is an interval between 1 and 0. Here, 1 means present or on, while 0 means absent or off. And in deciding what to do next, it involves a comparison between two parts of data. and using the logical operators and or not as a gate. This system metaphorically upholds unity and presence, as well as marginalize division and absence. In this case, it can be argued that the absence also plays an important role, as does the presence. Danny Cavallaro considers that the city of Vanessa in Gibson's work represents a symbol of the fluidity of cyberspace and an unstable world without borders. Gibson draws a city that feels both very real and unreal. It is also an enigmatic and confusing virtual world, not because it represents something that does not exist. It's because he maps space in a way his navigator cannot recognize. But it's become an attraction itself. In the last chapter of this book, Danny Cavallaro tries to compare the fragmentation of cyberpunk space with a specific approach to the ideas of chaos, crisis, and disaster through textual analysis, and how cyberpunk narrative structures articulate these ideas through their formal feature. In conclusion, he argues that cyberpunk cities are technological products that are meant to be explored and revealed about the mysteries of the universe, and AI seems capable of running the whole show and has the power that is limited by the metric. And after all, Cybercity can never be fully understood and mapped. So that is my explanation about Danny Cavallo's idea in chapter 7, Cyberpunk and the City. Thank you.